Hello, welcome back. Welcome back to Anatomical Analogies, although we really aren't doing any analogies with the nervous system here. But in this video, we're going to do an intro to the cells of the nervous system. So, as we may know already, and if we don't, we're going to delve into it. But there's two basic cells of the nervous system. There's neurons and there's neuroglial cells. So neurons, they're non-mitotic, they're larger. There's fewer of them, and they are functional cells to transmit electrochemical impulses. So neurons, much bigger, much fewer, non-mitotic, so they can't multiply, can't reproduce from themselves, and they are functional cells which they transmit electrochemical impulses. However, on the other hand, there's neuroglial cells, which are much smaller than neurons, but they're also much more numerous. So there's about 10 to 20 neuroglial cells for every neuron, just to give you an idea there. So these neuroglial cells, they are the support cells for the neurons. So they support the neurons, just like the legs of a table support a table, or legs of a chair support a chair. Neuroglial cells support the neurons, and neuroglial cells, some of them are mitotic. So those are the big differentiating factors between neurons and neuroglial cells. So now we're going to actually touch on the neuroglial cells of the central nervous system and peripheral nervous system, and delve into them in the upcoming episodes here. Videos, episodes, whatever you want to, live streams. It's not live, but you get it. But neuroglial cells, central nervous system neuroglial cells, aka CNS neuroglial cells. There's astrocytes, oligodendrocytes. There's microglial cells, and there's ependymal cells. So the CNS neuroglial cells, astrocytes, oligodendrocytes, microglial cells, and ependymal cells. So it sounds like I'm speaking a crazy language, but we'll get into that in the next video here. And the PNS neuroglial cells are neurolemnocytes, aka Schwann cells, and satellite cells. So neurolemnocytes and satellite cells are the neuroglial cells of the peripheral nervous system. So neurons are bigger, neuroglial cells are smaller. Neuroglial cells, are smaller. Neurons, fewer. Neuroglial cells, more numerous. Neurons, functional cells, they transmit electrochemical impulses. Neuroglial cells, support cells of the neurons. Neurons, not mitotic, and neuroglial cells, some do undergo mitosis there. So that's it. We'll see you soon.